Assalamu alaikum and welcome. We're AskA Solution, and today we're going to talk about something really critical for any plant manager, operations director, or engineer right here in the kingdom. We're talking about that silent system that, kind of runs your entire operation, and what happens when it just stops. We're talking about mastering your industrial HVAC.
So, here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at an unseen threat that's always there, always lurking. Then we're going to get real about the true cost of downtime. It's bigger than you think. After that, we'll show you the proactive AskA Solution, which is our way of doing things. And finally, we'll show you why we're your partner in reliability.
All right, let's jump right into this threat. When we talk about the climate here in KSA, most people think about personal comfort. But in the industrial world, it's not about comfort at all. It's a serious, constant business challenge. It puts your productivity, your expensive equipment, and your deadlines at risk every single day. So let me ask you this directly. You're a manager, you're an engineer. What is that one thing, that single biggest and most constant threat to your plant's efficiency? Just think about it for a second. It's not the supply chain, it's not manpower. Yenny, it's something you have to deal with every single day, especially from May to September, and sometimes even longer. It's the heat. It's this number right here, 45 degrees Celsius, and let's be honest, it's often higher. This isn't just a weather report, This is the daily reality for your most critical equipment. Your servers, your manufacturing lines, your control rooms, they are all fighting this relentless stress day in and day out. This is the unseen enemy that's constantly working against you. And that leads us to, the most painful part of this whole conversation, the true cost of downtime. Because when your cooling stops, your business stops. It's that simple. Your entire operation can just grind to a halt because one system failed under the pressure of all that heat. And you know what's crazy? It's how fast it all happens. It's like a domino effect. It starts with one little thing. One HVAC unit fails. Maybe a compressor gives out or a filter is clogged, who knows? But then, almost instantly, your critical equipment starts to overheat. So your safety systems kick in and bam, emergency shutdown. And just like that, your whole production line is dead. Voila. It happens so fast you don't even have time to react. And the cost? Man, it's not just about the repair bill, is it? That's just the beginning. Think about the lost revenue for every single hour you're not producing. Those emergency repair bills, they're always double, maybe even triple the cost of planned work. We've seen equipment get so damaged it cuts its lifespan in half. And then, the delayed shipments, the angry clients, the damage to your reputation. One bad day of downtime can literally wipe out a whole quarter's profit. These are not small things.
But listen, it doesn't have to be this way. Tayyib, let's switch gears from the problem to the solution. This is where we at AskA Solution come in. We change the entire way you think about this. We move you from these stressful, reactive repairs to a state of proactive, predictable reliability. It's a total shift in mindset. Just look at the two ways to handle this. On one side, you have the reactive approach, the old way. You just wait for something to break, then you scramble and pay all those costs we just talked about. On the other side, you have our proactive approach at AskA. We set up scheduled, preventative maintenance to keep everything optimized. The whole point is to prevent breakdowns before they can ever happen. Tayyib, which one sounds better for your business? The chaos or the control? So how do we actually create this value for you? Well, it's simple. Our maintenance programs directly make your equipment last longer and stop those huge surprise repair bills. Our energy efficiency upgrades, they directly lower your utility bills. That's real money back in your budget. And our air quality solutions, they protect your staff, sure, but also your sensitive electronics from all the dust. And look, if something does go wrong, our 24/7 emergency team is on standby to get you back online fast. Every single thing we do is linked to a real benefit for your bottom line. And we do all this through a very clear professional process. This is not guesswork. Step 1, we start with a really detailed consultation and a site assessment. We don't do one size fits all. Then our engineers design a custom plan just for you. Step 3 is the precision installation and setup by our certified guys. And it doesn't stop there. Step 4, which is maybe the most important, is the ongoing maintenance and support to make sure you stay reliable. Okay, so we've covered a lot. The threat, the costs, our proactive approach. So if you're the manager or the engineer listening to this right now, and you remember only one single thing from this whole explainer, what should that one thing be? This is it. A proactive partnership with us at AskA Solution is not a cost. It is not another expense on a spreadsheet. It is an investment. It's an investment in your uptime, in your productivity, and honestly, in your peace of mind. You're spending a small, predictable amount on maintenance to protect yourself from the huge, unpredictable cost of a shutdown. It is the smartest investment an industrial operation in KSA can make. Khalas, that's the whole idea. It's an investment, not a cost. So, that idea of investment brings us to our last section, becoming your partner in reliability. Let's talk about why so many of the kingdom's biggest industries already trust us. For us, this isn't just a sales pitch. It's what we do every day.
Look, we are not new to this. We have over 30 years of hands-on experience right here in the Saudi industrial sector. From oil and gas to manufacturing, we've seen it all. We really understand the unique challenges of this environment. That number, 30 plus, that's 3 decades of solving these exact problems for companies just like yours.
But, don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our partners are saying. Akdas Aziz says, they always go above and beyond to ensure minimal downtime, a reliable partner in the industry. That says it all, really. Our goal is always minimal downtime, and our clients see us as more than just a company they hire. We become a partner in their success.
And because you've taken the time to listen to all of this, we want to make the first step really easy for you. Just mention this explainer when you get in touch with us, and you will get a completely free, no-obligation HVAC consultation for your facility. One of our senior engineers will come out, take a look at your systems, and give you professional advice for free.
So how do you take that next step? It's simple. Just send an email to our team at sales@askasolution.com, or you can visit our website at askasolution.com to learn more. Our experts are ready to talk about how we can bring this proactive reliability to your operations. Really, don't wait for the next heat wave to see if your systems can handle it. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought, a question to really think about. Look at your current plan. Is your facility truly prepared for the peak of summer? For that next big heat wave? Or is it unknowingly at risk of a catastrophic and very expensive shutdown? The choice between proactive investment and reactive crisis, well, that choice is yours. Thank you for your time from all of us here at AskA Solution.